Hey guys, and welcome back to Leela's Tools. Today we're starting off the Toolbox Tour. We're going to start with the top of the box. It'll be one video, and then we'll go drawer by drawer. So just real quick, right above my box, my drill gauge, magnetizer, first aid kit, torch, and fire extinguisher. Safety first. You can see all my stickers on the box. I got 2 Titan magnetic trays and 2 magnets. One's a Titan, one's a Polaris branded. Polaris. We'll start at the back here. 1/4 inch SAE. Nothing too crazy here. I'll just pull this up for you so you can see it better. Here's my sockets. Gray, SK, Proto. I think that's a snap-on. There's a snap-on there. Craftsman. DeWalt, gear wrench. Recently, I have a DeWalt 1/4 inch set that I had a bunch of the pieces on here from, but I put that set back together, so need to get a few more pieces to fill this set out again. Not something I use a ton though. Here's my metric 1/4 inch. Mastercraft, Craftsman, Snap-on. That's a Snap-on. Couple DeWalts, Stanley, Jet, SK. All sorts of sockets in there. And shout out to Audubon Dan, Big Vic, of course, 357 Magdad, awesome channels. If you haven't subscribed to those guys, I'll link them in the description. Back here, from one of my tool hauls, we have a little precision bit screwdriver and its bits. Pencil sharpener, 25-foot tape, the little baby tape, 6-foot, and a 16-foot tape, and another 16-foot tape here, auto lock. In here, I just keep some stuff that needs to be organized. When I know, like, this needs to go in my electrical stuff, I just keep them up here. Some lighters, a couple Zippos, a buck knife, a pair of calipers from a recent tool haul. They still need to be cleaned up a bit. These screwdrivers I keep up here, they're my little baby pry tools. This is a Proto, and my good old Snap-on. There we go. This is a automatic center punch, so you push down and it goes automatically. Love this thing. A little deburr tool, 1/4 and 5/16 nut setter bits. Just an array of bits. This is some sort of a set that had a driver in it, but it's great just to have right here, so when you need something. Pardon me. Let's go over the 1/2 inch metrics. These are just some Astro flip sockets. A lot of these are Westward brand, a China-made brand, but they're cheap and they actually hold up pretty well. We got some DeWalt there, Craftsman, what's that there? Ultra Pro, got a Mac. A lot of these aren't the top quality, but with the big sockets, a lot of the time they're thick enough that you're not really gonna worry about cracking them or anything. Sorry if you see any smoke or anything, guys. That's just my breath. It's cold as heck out in the shop today. For 3/8 standards, a lot of USA Craftsman. It's at a Mac, Snap-on, Snap-on, Snap-on. All these old Snap-on Canada. These are all my grandpa's. Down there, a couple gear wrench at the end. What's that? Blackhawk, a couple more Snap-ons, NSK, Stanley at the end. And for the metrics, a bunch of on the deeps there, a Craftsman set, a China set, Snap-ons 19 to 12 and a 10. Also a Snap-on 8. A couple SKs there. And a DeWalt for the 20mm. So, that's the top of the box, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed. I'll put a playlist with all the different drawers. So, yeah. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching.